In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit a Fibonacci retracement on TradingView. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, is add the Fibonacci retracement. So go to the left over here, and you'll find it in here under the second row. So you want to click on the arrow, and over here, you'll see a Fib retracement, okay? So just click on it or press Alt plus F, and then you can just basically draw it wherever you want on your chart. So I'm going to click for the first time, and then you draw it out, and you can click for the second time, and you're good to go, okay? Now, I have a Fib retracement over here, and now I can do multiple things with it. I could go and move it, so I can just click anywhere and like move it around like this, or I could go and of course change it by clicking on either this dot and dragging it around like this, or this one and drag it around like this, okay? So that's basically how you can do this. That's the basic editing. However, if you want to edit more of it, you can click on up top over here. So you want to select it by clicking on any of these lines or any of these numbers, and then up top you can of course change these colors, so we can just change them like that. As you can see, it's pretty convenient. You can also change the line width like that if you want to change that, and then you have the settings as well, okay? And in here you can edit style, coordinates, visibility, etc. And you can also basically do like whatever you want and change it and save it as a template or apply as defaults if of course you want to do this. So again, you can change styles, coordinates, visibility. There's a bunch of different things you can do. So for example, if I change a few of these, you'll see what's going to happen over here. There we go. Things are changing on my chart in the back, as you can see, and you can completely customize and edit your own Fib retracement, okay? Then of course you can go to coordinates, visibility, and you can change it that way. Press OK, and you have your very own custom Fibonacci retracement. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.